How to remove music sticker from Snapchat story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Here, take a snap or add any picture you want in your snap with a music. Then click on the music icon on the right side. Select the music you want to add. Then it will lead you to this page. Here you can trim. Before there used to be option of only selecting the music. It will be here. What you would need to do is simply drag the icon outside of the screen and it will be removed. But for now, if you simply click on the music you want to add, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, press on the circle with a cross, which will show music only. Press on the tick mark and it will be removed. This is our remove music sticker from Snapchat story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.